Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Dropbox for file sharing. So to do that, go to your application store like Play Store and download and install Dropbox application. Then after you download and install Dropbox application, open your Dropbox app and sign in to your account. So sign in to your account and upload files. To share files, you need to upload them to your Dropbox account. Tap the plus sign at the bottom right corner and then tap add button within the Dropbox app. Now to share your files or folders, tap the three dots at the file that you want to share and then tap the share button. In here, you can send link via email, send a copy of a file, or tap the copy link and send it to anyone. So that's how to use Dropbox for file sharing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.